We're gonna do it anyway. Screw you, AI. Screw you. So everyone knows how much I hate AI. Maybe hate is a strong word, just dislike AI. But we're going to make a video using AI. Yep, we're going to do it anyway. We're going to do it anyway. Sorry, I'll just move on, yeah. Move on. Like and subscribe and all that. And let's make some singing jingles, sung jingles we could say, sung sweepers, whichever you prefer, using AI, and a free one as well. So let's get started then. Let's delve straight into, well, we're going to need Google Gemini for this little gem. Yes, completely free. Have you signed up for Gemini? I like this sort of stuff. I won't lie, it does help out with certain bits of work. But when it comes to creating music, maybe not so much. Let me take that again. Creating music, maybe not so much. Anyway, so yeah, here we are in Google Gemini. And we can ask Gemini, we can create a prompt to create a song that we're going to use for, a sung jingle. And then we're going to take it out, download it as an MP3 or however it does. I don't know how it works. Download it as an MP3 or whatever, stick it into Logic, spice it up with a few glitches and sound effects, maybe cut some bits out, maybe edit some bits, make it a bit short. I don't know how long it's going to be. And we'll make it into a free sung jingle. Free, yeah, great stuff. So we need this prompt then. Let's put in. Let's just keep it simple. What are we going to ask it to do? We need it to make a song, don't we? We need to make a song. So we need to create a 30 seconds, should we say, 30-second track, electro pop track. Electro pop track, or should we go electro? Let's do a pop rock. Pop rock sounds good. Create a 30 seconds pop rock track. Pop rock song sung by a positive, upbeat male. By a positive, upbeat male voice. Okay, that sounds good so far. Create a 30-second pop rock song sung by a positive, upbeat male voice. Include the lyrics. Include the lyrics below. I don't know how much of a prompt we need to put. Let's just go with what we have. So I've made some lyrics. Do you know what? In the world of music making, I could be the next Bob Dylan, if needed. You never know. So I've come up with these great lyrics, which I'll paste now. Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one radio station, or number one station on the radio. Should have you and radio rhyming, really, shouldn't we? Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one radio station on the radio. Let's just go with that. That's fine. And I'm just gonna hit. Do we need more? We can do another one, I guess. Create a 30-second pop rock song sung by a positive, upbeat male voice, including the lyrics below. Include the lyrics below. Playing. Let's put these in. I don't know if it makes any difference, but you never know. Put these in speech marks like this. Let's change that to a comma. And we're gonna hit submit. Here we go. I don't know how long this is gonna take, so we'll come back when it's ready. See you in a bit.
A few moments later.
We're back. It's done. Are we ready? So let's go listen. Right. So we got what have we got here? I've created your pop rock radio jingle. Did I mention radio jingle? Maybe it's because I've done it in the past. With a positive male vocal. You can play the 30-second track directly into your chat. Okay, we can download it as well. Hang on. So what's it say? Top of the dial. Right. Okay. let's go. We're going to hit play. Here we go.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio. Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what? Screw you, AI. Screw you. Can I say that? I just did. I do apologise. There we go. Okay. Download track. Download track as an MP3 only. We'll do that. And yeah. Potential. We have potential to do something with this. Let's beef it up a bit. Let's make it more radio friendly, so we can put it between tracks. Little bit slow for what I wanted, but we might be able to speed it up just a bit. We'll see. We'll see how we go. Maybe we should have asked it to be a certain BPM. Actually, that's a thought. We could have done that, but never mind. Never mind. We've downloaded it. Let's take it into Logic and do some magic, I guess. So we're in Logic. We've got our 30 seconds. Is it 30 seconds? It should be 30 seconds, shouldn't it? I don't think it's going to be any much longer than 30 seconds. Let's have a quick check. Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. So we're on 30 seconds. And what we're going to do, we'll just quickly work out the tempo. I think I've got that right. No. Option, Control. There we go. Option, Command, and T. Works out the quick BPM, so 128 beats per minute, which is nice, I guess. Kind of a housey track, I guess. Let's put that on 1, or like however you want to do it. There we go. There we go. Why is it doing that? What? Oh, I see. Okay, right.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio. Playing the oldies.
Okay. I want it to end around here, but then I want it to end on that. The beat comes in there, but I don't want the vocal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into a AI again, splitter, and I think we're going to dissect it. So we're going to have the music and the vocals. Dead easy to do. I shall show you how to do that now. So we're going to use this website, free to use. You get a certain amount of time you can use on it and certain amount of downloads and things, but it's called vocalremover.org. Got a few, if you're into sort of music making and things, it's got removers, it's got splitters, you can find the pitch and keys of songs, you can cut things up, put things together. So we're going to use the audio splitter today, Splitter AI, to insert our file. If it'll let me do that, so I'm just going to put this file quickly into it, top of the dial, there we go. And it pretty much does the rest for us. Processing the audio takes a bit of time, sometimes not too long. Hopefully we won't have to do a jump cut. No, we don't. There we go. Look, wow, look at that. So here's our track. So we've got the main track. Which is nice. It's told us what key it's in as well. 128 BPM, and we can just take the bits we need. So we've got the bass, we've got the drums, we've got the vocal.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you.
Okay.
This is your
So what I'll do, I'll save all the bits we need. You can just hit save. We can download the music. We can download the vocal, the bass, and the drums. Can we do a whole mix as well? I don't know what that one is. Mix. What's a mix? Oh, can we just do this so we might be able to just get everything that we need? So we'll do that, that, and that. I think that'll just do a mix. What's that doing? Rebalanced. I don't know what that's just done. But anyway, we can then put them in to our track in Logic. Let's do that now then. So if I do this, there we go. Back into Logic. And then let's duplicate some of these tracks. So I need a few more. So we're just going to hit, if you don't know this one, you can highlight the track you need, Command and D, and then we get duplicate tracks. So we'll just rename this. Let's just call this one vocal. We'll put the vocal in this one. Drums, bass, and I think it was just music, wasn't it? But I think we might have a whole sort of mix down. Is that what it's done? Let's have a quick check. Yes. Okay, so we've got a whole mix without the vocal. Create stereo track. Yes. Let's put that there. It's totally messed up everything I need to do. And then we can take the vocal, drop that in. Yes. Totally pointless me doing those other tracks because I've done it all wrong. And we can sort of mute that one for now. So we've got this.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
Do I want that? I think I do want that. I don't want it twice. So I'm going to delete that. Then I want to stop there. And I don't want that bit. So this is my track.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
There we go. So we cut it right down to 16, 15 seconds, half of what we had, which is nice, a lot better. I'm going to delete that one because that's just going to get in the way for now. Now to jazz it up a bit, kind of thinking, do we?
Playing the old,
What was that?
playing the oldies and latest hits for you.
I'm thinking if we do this, how is this going to sound if we put this into that like that?
Oldies and latest hits for you. Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
Let's put that into chorus.
This is your number one station on the radio. Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
Okay. Work in progress so far. Let's smooth it over just a little bit to here, and let's find some sounds. I think we'll use for our sounds. We will use. I've forgotten what it's called now. We shall use Auditory FX and Sonic Survival. If we can find it in my folder here. Sonic Survival. Where is it? Sonic Survival Kit. Open up, and then just find some sounds that we might like. That works at the end. Good find so far. Let's just put that there for now.
Playing the oldie. Playing the old.
So then got something here. So we go into this sort of hang on, let's get that again. So right, let's get this into place there. So I want that on there like that.
Playing the.
And I want maybe something that goes Let's have a look what we've got. Let's find a bit of a whoosh. What are these whooshes we have? Oh, that's nice. Oh, what have we done? You can't see what I've just done. That's good. I think we'll try that one just to finish it off, see what that sounds like. Oh, there's a lot going on there, isn't there?
This is your number one station.
Still need a little glitch or something just to go in between. Let's try that. I think it's just subtle, that's all. Just before the new vocal kicks in.
This is your number one station. This is your number one station on the radio.
Okay, one final impact to end with, which I'll find now and just add to the end. So we need my sound effects. Put this impact just in there. There, maybe. Can't really hear that pop, can we? We'll do a proper mix down shortly. Let's put it into that for now. Okay.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.
There we go. There we go. There we go. What we'll do is I will mix that down, make it sound nice. It'll be free on the website, of course, craigk.co.uk/YouTube. Think I've got that right. I'll put the links in below, of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're close to, I think it's 1,500, 2,000 subscribers, something like that. 2 million subscribers. I don't know. But anyway, yes. Do like and subscribe to the video, and we'll be back again to do more AI stuff, no doubt. Starting to like it, I guess. But we'll do some more. There you go. So if you want to make some free sung jingles, you know where to go. Google Gemini.
Playing the oldies and latest hits for you. This is your number one station on the radio.